Come test drive the 2020 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, cruise control, clock, power brakes, compass, trip odometer, fog lights. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.